Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Kia Soul. First, gather all necessary tools like a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a new oil filter. Make sure you have the correct type and quantity of fresh engine oil, typically around 4 quarts for most models. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now that you're prepared, it's time to drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your oil drain pan directly underneath the plug to catch all the used oil. Using the correct wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan before proceeding to the next step. With the old oil drained, it's time to install your new filter and fresh oil. First, remove the old oil filter and replace it with a new one, ensuring the rubber gasket is lightly lubricated. Next, reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's tightened securely, but do not over-tighten. Finally, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the oil fill cap, typically around 4 quarts, checking your owner's manual for the exact specification. After adding the new oil, perform a final check. Use the dipstick to verify the oil level is within the recommended range, adding a small amount if necessary. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil, then check underneath for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.